You are looking at an ESS 650 horsepower supercharger kit for the E92 M3. We've bolted this onto a customer's car last week and we're going to show you the results of stock with a tune versus the 650 kit. So let's take a look at the first run. So this particular car came to us with a tune already, and we've pulled just on 260 kilowatts at the wheels on our dyno. Now let's take a look and see what the 650 ESS kit does. And there we go, about 110 kilowatts at the wheels difference from the ESS to a tuned stock engine. So let's have a look at the torque numbers and an overlay of the two graphs just so you can see the difference between the two. The stock car having about 380 newton meters of torque and the supercharger just getting up to 500 newton meters. So 120 newton meters of torque difference, not a bad result.